AirHog Stunt Shot, the ultimate soft wheel RC car. Want an RC car that's fast, fun, and totally safe for indoor play? Meet the AirHog Stunt Shot, a radio-controlled car with huge soft wheels that let it perform insane stunts without damaging furniture or walls. Why is it so special? Super soft wheels, crash all you want. These foam wheels won't scratch floors, walls, or furniture. Crazy stunt action. Jump, flip, and bounce off surfaces without breaking anything, even if you try. Obstacle Crusher. Climbs over small barriers and gets into unexpected places for the ultimate stunt fun. Perfect for indoor and outdoor fun. Unlike regular RC cars, Stunt Shot is built for action. No scratches, no damage, just non-stop entertainment. And the price? You can grab this awesome stunt RC car for just $25. Would you test its stunts at home? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe now for more mind-blowing toy and tech finds. Power Treads, the RC car that goes anywhere. Tired of RC cars that get stuck on rough terrain? Meet Power Treads, the ultimate all-terrain toy that drives over anything: carpets, rocks, furniture, and even obstacles you set up yourself. Why is Power Treads a game changer? No limits. Unlike regular RC cars, Power Treads moves across all surfaces, from smooth floors to rough terrain. Obstacle course fun. Set up ramps, tunnels, and barriers to test its climbing power. Compact and powerful. Despite its small size, this machine is a beast when it comes to movement. Endless ways to play. Whether you're racing, doing stunts, or creating crazy obstacle courses, Power Treads is built for non-stop fun. And the best part? For just $30, you get a high-performance, go-anywhere RC vehicle that never gets boring. Would you take on the challenge and build the ultimate track? Let us know in the comments. SilverLit Robo Chameleon, the cutest smart pet you need. Ever wanted a pet that's fun, interactive, and doesn't need feeding or cleaning? Well, meet the SilverLit Robo Chameleon, a robotic pet that's just like the real thing, but way cooler. Why is this the ultimate robo-pet? Color-changing magic. Just like a real chameleon, this robot shifts colors right before your eyes. Watch as its back and crest glow in different shades. Hunting mode. It sticks out its tongue and snatches up special tokens, acting just like a real chameleon catching bugs. Smooth and realistic movement. It doesn't just sit there, it moves around, explores, and reacts in a lifelike way. Perfect for kids who love pets but aren't ready for the responsibility. No feeding, no mess, just pure entertainment with a robotic twist. It's a fun learning toy too, teaching kids about nature and movement in an exciting way. Easy to control and super engaging. With a simple remote, you can make your Robo Chameleon walk, change colors, and catch food with its tongue. It's like having a pet and a game in one. And guess what? You can own this adorable robotic chameleon for just $40. That's way cheaper than a real pet and a lot less work. Would you get a Robo Chameleon for yourself or as a gift? Drop a comment and let us know. Chash, Terra-Sect Rolling Lizard, the RC toy that defies gravity. What if I told you there's an RC toy that transforms, flips, and rolls like a beast? Meet Terra-Sect Rolling Lizard, the shape-shifting, remote-controlled toy that's built for pure action. Why is this RC toy different? Most RC cars just drive around, right? Well, this one has two modes. One, upright mode. It drives like a regular car, smooth and fast. Two, rolling mode. But here's the real game changer. With one flip, it transforms into a rolling wheel that crushes obstacles, zooms downstairs, and keeps going no matter what. Super easy to control. Even if you've never used an RC toy before, this one's crazy simple. Tilt, turn, and watch it roll. The fast reflexes and unique movement make it insanely fun to play with. Unstoppable on any terrain. Think of any obstacle. Stairs, rocks, uneven ground, even Legos on the floor. Terra-Sect conquers them all. Perfect for everyone. Whether you're a kid, a collector, or just looking for an awesome gift, this toy is guaranteed to keep you entertained for hours. And the best part? This mind-blowing RC toy costs just $18. Yep, you don't need to break the bank for this kind of fun. So, would you take Terra-Sect for a spin? Misa, the smartest robot for your home. Imagine this. You're juggling a million things at once. Work, errands, family, and somehow trying to catch a break. Feels impossible, right? Well, not anymore. Meet Misa, your personal AI-powered home assistant that does way more than just sit around looking cool. First off, it's your child's new best friend. Misa chats, plays, and even dances, keeping your little one entertained for hours while you focus on what matters. No more guilt for being busy. But wait, there's more. Misa isn't just for kids. It's a full-fledged smart assistant that sets alarms, reminders, and timers, finds information instantly, suggests recipes, books hotels, and even plays your favorite tunes. And here's the game changer. Misa patrols your home when you're away. With a built-in camera and sound recorder, you can see and hear everything happening in real time. It even makes video calls. Caring for elderly family members? Misa reminds them to take their medicine, keeping them safe and independent. And the best part? Misa navigates your home effortlessly, avoiding obstacles like a pro. So how much does it cost? You might think thousands, but nope. Misa starts at just $400. Would you bring Misa into your home? Let us know in the comments. Chash meets SpiderPi, the robot that thinks like you. Imagine a robot that sees, tracks, and even learns from you. Sounds like sci-fi? Well, it's real. And it's called SpiderPi. This high-tech marvel isn't just a toy, it's a gateway into the world of AI and programming. Designed by Hiwonder, this robotic spider teaches you coding while keeping you entertained. Here's where it gets even cooler. With its high-resolution camera, SpiderPi can recognize colors, track objects, and even follow visual lines. It's smart enough to detect obstacles and avoid them using ultrasonic sensors. But wait, it gets even better. With a little bit of coding, you can customize SpiderPi to perform insane tricks, from obstacle courses to interactive games. And the price? You can own this next-gen robotic assistant for just $580. Would you try programming SpiderPi? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more jaw-dropping tech innovations.